The secret to getting more views on Etsy is right in front of your face. Honestly, everything you really need to know is right in the Etsy Seller Handbook. Here's one thing that you should probably know is setting up videos inside of your Etsy listing. But you're probably doing it wrong, and I'm more than sure you probably are. A lot of people are just kind of using it for just video mockups, which can actually be used, and it's actually pretty decent. But I'm gonna show you a way to do this alongside still adding value to the customer so that this video actually helps you get some traction. So here's how most people are using videos. They're doing like a slideshow. Some people are doing the AI video mockups, and reason being is because Etsy supposedly helps you get more views or listings with videos, because inside of Etsy it actually says listing videos gives shoppers a better idea of your products and can help improve how your listings appear in the Etsy search. So you can actually click on it, you can dive in even more about it, but it doesn't necessarily say anything about videos in here, but really it just helps you improve your listing quality score so that more than likely your whole entire listing as a whole is a whole lot better, so that you can get some improved traction, so that customers not only click on it but they stick around and learn more about your product, which I talk about a lot here on the channel. And now it's actually time for you to implement. So doing videos like this is okay, and doing like little mock-up videos like this is okay, but there's one thing that you can do that's going to help the customer like you in comparison to your competitors a whole lot more. I'm so confused on what I just said. They'll like you a whole lot more in comparison to your competitors, okay? Reason being is because whenever you use a video, you still want to be able to provide value. You still want to be able to educate the customer on why your product is better than the competitors, or not even necessarily so just better, but giving your customer more information about your product so that they are more likely to create that connection, that transaction with you. Think about like shopping with someone in person. For example, have you ever found a t-shirt on the rack and you couldn't really tell if this was a heavyweight or if it could fit you properly? You're looking for someone who works there, and there's no one there to actually answer your questions. Right here, you can actually do that. For example, someone might see a t-shirt and then they want to ask, how does it actually fit? You can't necessarily just ask right there and get an answer on the spot. Most customers aren't going to be likely to send you a message. They want to get the answers on that listing right then and there. So for example, here's a video right here that you could actually do, especially with AI now. And this provides a whole lot more value than just, hey, here's a video mock-up of the actual product. So this one right here is just like showing different sizes and, pretty much a simple rotation of the body and whatnot as well. So it would take quite a bit of AI prompts to be able to do something like that, but it is doable. I will say, just to cut this video short, here's something quicker and more simple that you could actually do. So instead of doing the full-on video, you can still leverage the fact that there is a video on your page, and then you could just provide a size chart right below it. So in order to do something like this, you can use AI and just create an additional size, larger and larger, but I personally would just rather purchase someone else's video who's ready like that. But what you can do instead is just create yourself a nice listing template that you can use every single time that still provides value. So for example, if we do a t-shirt, let's say we have our own t-shirt design, right? So this video isn't exactly us creating a t-shirt design, but it's gonna show you how to turn it into video. So let's say we have this t-shirt right here. Let's say best dad ever. 0. Let's say we just made a quick little design. Obviously it doesn't make any sense, but we're gonna go ahead and mock this up real quick. We'll just do a mock-up. Now I'm gonna bring it on over here. What they already have is a whole lot better than what we have, but just for example, because it was a brand new design, I'm gonna show you how simple, because they already have the prompts for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on over here, and then you see they already have this nice prompt for you. I'm just gonna go ahead and click regenerate. All right, so we just used the prompt that Kiddo already had for us, and as you can see, I'll hit play. Boom, cool little video. But once again, you don't have to use these prompts that they actually give you. You could change it to whatever you may want it to be. So we could have a model with a slightly more and more oversized shirt, and then just have her turn to the side if we really wanted to. But that would be a really long video. It'll probably be like an hour-long tutorial. But for the time being, you can already start to use something like this. But how can we provide value on top of this? So by doing so, this allows us a template to use every single time, because honestly, to scale in Etsy, it does take volume. No matter what someone's going to tell you, they're going to say, oh, you could win for 2, 3, 4 listings. Yes, you could, but the name of the game on Etsy is quality first and then volume. Quality, then quantity. And that's how you can really grow, because majority times 10 to 20% of your listings are going to be those true winners. It doesn't doesn't matter if 100% of your listings are amazing, only 10 to 20% of them are going to be the ones that really bring home that dough, bring home the money. Okay, so how can you scale quickly? This is one way that you can scale a whole bunch of videos quickly. And then all you have to do on your template itself is just go ahead and have a size chart on there every single time. So now every single time, all you have to do is just export a new mockup for the video. You don't have to do the design on the mockup every single time, but what's more important right here is just creating yourself a foundation template process so that you can have the bases down every single time. This needs to look a whole lot nicer though. So for example, I don't necessarily like the colors that's going on here, but it is very cohesive with what they have going on. So they got the size chart, they got social proof image, they got product benefit image. So you need all of these things every single time. So this is how you can scale quickly, because you'll just have your own template every single time you create a new listing. All right, and then every single time you just have a new design for that entire listing. So for example, you just hop on a Kindle, create yourself a nice listing template that you're going to use as the last export for each and every single one of your designs. Of course, you're going to start with the winning design first, but then you'll have a template where you can put your mock-up, and then you have the video with a nicer looking size chart, one that's a little bit more, you know, color cohesive with your brand. Then you have your social proof image, and then already has your mock-up image next to it. Maybe this one can be in a different color, and then your next image, and so forth. And that's what makes it easy to scale on Kindle, because you can have everything that you need on one simple project artboard right here. And that's what a lot of people miss when it comes to selling on Etsy. They're just creating the design, creating that initial mock-up, and that's it. They're forgetting the rest. So what you need to do right now is focus on creating yourself a really nice palette that you can use every single time. Look at this. This one's awesome. It has all these additional images every single time. And that's what's really going to differentiate you from the competitors.